Hello guys, I made 5000 rupees with no money. Yes, you heard me right. I made 5000 rupees without having any money with me, and I want to share this with you today. I know for a fact in India you cannot make money online in most of the cases other than starting a business or working at some place, right? No, wrong. When the COVID hit for the first time in 2020, we were not allowed to go outside or do anything outside. So what we did is my friends came to my home and we started playing cards and we spent the entire day wasting time. But I had an obsession of making money, so I started breeding ornamental fish and it was successful. But when it came to the sales part, I was not a good salesperson, so I could not get anywhere with the ornamental fish breeding business. So this was the second year of COVID, but this time I came across some YouTube videos where you could make money online using Instagram theme pages and dropshipping. I began watching videos like this and thought to myself that I should also start a Instagram theme page business and start dropshipping, which ultimately led me nowhere. But I had a breakthrough with one of the multiple pages I started with Instagram, with which I gained followers of up to 3,000 followers with the follow for follow strategy. I saw that many people were engaging with my content related to travel. I used to follow around 100 to 1000 people every single day so that I can get up to the 3K mark. But one day things flipped. I had posted a video that initially did not go so well, but ended up receiving up to 2.1 million views. And that day, my Instagram followers grew up to 9,000 followers. After this, I had exams, so I had to stop all this and start focusing on my exams. So I did not continue it for the next 2 or 3 years, and I completely ignored the Instagram theme page, and the page was near to dead. I used to occasionally open the page and look through the content that I posted, but there was no engagement at all. So one day when I was scrolling through my Instagram theme page, I saw a message asking if I would sell my Instagram theme page. And initially I thought this was a scam, but later I messaged him back asking what was his offer. I got a reply after 8 to 10 days saying he would offer me $50 for the Instagram theme page. But I was not okay with it. But I did not do anything with the Instagram theme page. So I thought it would be better in the hands of someone who is actually using it. So I dropped a response message saying, give me $60 and the page is yours. The buyer agreed after 2 days and he asked for the password for the Instagram theme page so that he could log in and get access to the page. But I was skeptical as I did not know and I had never sold an Instagram theme page. So what I did was I asked him to send the money first and then I would share him the password. So he was also afraid of getting scammed. I told him clearly I need the money first and I then send him the password. But I did not get ready for 2 minutes. In the meantime, I thought for myself, this page is not going to help me anyway in any way. So even if I get scammed, it's not going to be a big issue. So I gave him the password and he got into the account and changed the password and email address and all login details for the account. And then he asked for my PayPal and he sent me $65 and told me that this is for trusting me and sharing the password. I was so happy that I had trusted him and I sent the password so that he could send an additional $5. Here you can see the transfer I received, but it reached my bank account only after 21 days. Here you can see the payment I received in my bank account. 4,917 rupees. I know for a fact this is not a lot of money, but this is a proof of concept that you can make money online and you will have to put your efforts for a long period of time to get anywhere. I came to this realization only after I saw the money on my PayPal. So you should also start before the time runs out. And if you want to watch me create a new Instagram theme page and start from scratch, do comment on this video saying I need a follow-up video and I will definitely post a video on this and I will grow an Instagram theme page right in front of your eyes.